what's good? I am Maahek Nair. Thank you for watching Body Pro Coach Nutrition. Before we go ahead with today's recipe, request you to please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button so that you're always tuned in whenever a new video is uploaded. Okay, today we're going to be doing an excellent drink. It's called as a Sattu drink. It's a traditional Indian drink. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. First, 1.5 cup of water. Next, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Sattu powder. Then I have half a teaspoon of Zeera powder, half a teaspoon of Amchur powder, about 4 ice cubes, half a teaspoon of senda namak, half a teaspoon of coconut sugar, and we are going to blend this mixture. Our refreshing Sattu drink is ready. You could add coriander, mint leaves and some chili for garnishing. Before I pour the mixture, I'm going to first add some lime juice to it. I'm going to squeeze it nice and well. It's about half a lime juice. And now I'm going to pour the Sattu drink. So it's an excellent coolant and refresher for the summer. Sattu drink is ready. It is an excellent coolant for the summers. It reduces bloating. It is extremely good for increasing your energy levels and your metabolism. And lastly, it helps you to burn calories if it's consumed empty stomach. So great option here you have. That's a Sattu drink. Thank you.